The Henley Partnership is a group of member organisations from medium to large companies who have got a reasonably large, so several hundred people in their senior leadership population. And what we do is each year I work with our key contacts, who are our HR and learning and development contacts in each of those businesses, to find out what are the challenges that they're facing, and therefore what are the leadership and learning opportunities and gaps for the senior people in their organisations. We then design a calendar of learning sessions which are short, sharp and impactful for the following calendar year. Some of the reasons people tell us that they really value the Henley Partnership is that the sessions are relatively short and it's a short time away from the day job, so people are able to build those sessions, particularly the 2-hour sessions, into their everyday working activities.